Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about coded inequalities. In previous classes, I have discussed about syllogisms and abbreviations. If you want any clarification about those topics, go and visit those classes, okay? Now, in this class, I am going to discuss about basics of coded inequalities, okay? Now, in coded inequalities, majorly there are 5 symbols are involved. Those symbols are greater than, less than, equals to, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to. Okay, these 5 symbols are involved in coded inequalities. Okay, let me explain that with equation. Okay, now take one equation. A is greater than B, less than C. This is the equation I have. I want to explain. Okay, now this symbol is greater than, right? This means A is greater than B. Got it? And B is less than C. That is B is less than C. This symbol is less than. So B is less than C. Okay. This symbol is equals to C is equal to D. Yeah, as all you know these symbols, but for basics we have to go with this topic, right? Now greater than or equals to, D is greater than or equals to me. E means D is greater than E or D is equals to E. Okay, this is the meaning of D is greater than or equals to E. Okay, E is less than or equals to F. Less than or equals to F means E is less than E or E is equals to F. F. In options, there is option like A is neither greater nor equals to B. That means in options like A is neither greater nor equal to B. That means A is less than B. Got it? A is neither greater nor equal to B means A is not greater or equal to B. If not a greater or equal means the remaining another symbol is less than, right? So A is less than B. Okay. Let me explain some examples. Okay. Statement. This is the statement. Okay. These are 2 conclusions provided in the question. Okay. Now we have to solve these conclusions, right? Now P is here, R is here. If we have the same symbol between P and R, then definitely that will be the answer. Okay. We have dissimilar symbols like in between P and R, both the symbols like greater than, less than, both the symbols are appear means then the conclusion does not follow. Okay, let me explain now. P is here, R is here. Now P is less than or equals to R. In between P and R, we have to see what are the symbols are there in between P and R. Okay, now if we have less than or equal to symbol between P and R, all the symbols between P and R is less than or equals to means then this conclusion will definitely follows. If we have dissimilar symbols like greater than, less than, both the symbols appear between P and R means then the conclusion does not follows. Okay. Now P is here, R is here, greater than, less than. So dissimilar symbols are there between P and R. So this conclusion is definitely wrong, right? Here I less than a. I is here, a is here. We have to see in between I and a, all the symbols are less than or not. If all the symbols are less than, then the conclusion is definitely true. In between I and a, there are both the symbols are present, like both less than and greater than, means then the conclusion does not follow. Now we have to check in between I and a whether the symbols are similar or dissimilar. Okay, I is here, a is here, less than and greater than. So dissimilar symbols are there. Both less than and greater than are present in between I and a. So this conclusion also does not follows, right? So what is the answer here means neither conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay, let me explain another example. Right now, this is the another example. Please remember, this is very important point. Whenever you see equals to in the question, then better we have to remove that equal to symbol, because a equals to b means a b are equal, right? No need of equals to symbol. Now let me write the equation without equals to symbol. Okay, now I have removed that equal to symbol and I have written the whole equation, right? Why we have to remove that equals to symbol means just to avoid the confusion, right? So whenever you see the equal to symbol, please remove that equal to symbol and write the equation without equals to symbol, or else assume that equation without equals to symbol. Okay, these two are conclusions. Okay, now we have to find whether in between f and c the symbols are similar or dissimilar. Okay, f is here, c is here. Yeah, absolutely. In between f and c, both the symbols here less than or equals to, here greater than. So both the symbols are different, right? So in between f and c the symbols are different. So this conclusion does not follows. F less than d. F is here, d is here. Yeah, d is greater than f. D is greater than f. If d is greater than f means f is definitely less than d, right? So this conclusion follows. So what is the answer here means conclusion 2 follows. Okay, got it? Let me explain another example. This is the another statement. Okay, now I have already told you that whenever you see the equal to symbol, please remove that equals to symbol and write the equation without the equal to symbol. Okay, now I am writing here. Okay, this is the final equation, right? Now conclusion is f is greater than or equals to I. F is here, I is here. In between f and I, if the symbol is greater than or equals to means then the conclusion follows. If the symbol is not greater than or equals to, or else if the dissimilar symbols are there means then the conclusion does not follows. Okay, now let's check. F is greater than or equals to I. In between f and I, greater than equals to symbol, both the symbols are greater than equals to, so the conclusion follows. Okay, this conclusion follows. And h is greater than k. H is here, k is here, greater than k. Here greater than equals to symbol is there, greater than is there, right? What is the meaning of greater than equals to means? Yeah, I have already told you that h is greater than k and h is equals to k. Both are correct, right? Here we have to consider the common symbol, right? In one place there is a greater than or equals to, in another place it is greater than. Now we have to consider the common symbol. Okay, here what is the common symbol means only the greater than. So h is greater than k is also true. So what is the answer here means both 1 and 2 follows. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Okay, here the fourth one is this one and the conclusions are these. And first conclusion we have R less than or equals to O. Now we have to see in between R and O the symbols are less than or equals to or not, right? If all the symbols are less than or equals to means then the conclusion is definitely follow. If the symbols are dissimilar then the conclusion does not follow. Okay, now we have to check between R and O. R is here, O is here, yeah, equals to. Whenever you see, we have to remove that equals to, right? Okay, R is here, O is here, greater than or equals to. Okay, if we have greater than or equals to here, then R is less than or equals to O will be possible. Here, greater than and greater than or equals to there. Yeah, I'll write here. If in between O and Q, if greater than or equals to there, then R is less than or equals to O will be possible. How I'll show you. If O is greater than or equals to R means R is definitely less than or equals to O. So that will be follows. But here the symbols are different. We have to take the common symbol between O and R. So R is less than or equals to O is wrong. Got it? R is less than U. R is here. In between R and U, we have to find that whether the symbols are similar or not. R is here, U is here, less than, greater than or equals to less than. So both the symbols are present in between R and U. So the symbols are dissimilar. So R is less than U does not follow. Here what is the answer means neither conclusion 1 and 2 follows. Right? Now we have to write the equation without equals to. Yeah, this is the equation without equals to, right? Conclusions. M is less than K and I is equals to L. Okay? Here. In between M and K, M is here, K is here. M is here, K is here. K is greater than M. How can we write? K is greater than M. And this one we also write this equation like M is less than K. So this equation follows. And I is equals to L. I is here, L is here. No chance of equals to because L and both less than and greater than symbols are there. So the symbols are dissimilar. So this conclusion does not follow. So here what is the answer means only conclusion 1 follows. Right? And this is the answer for this question. These are some basic examples regarding coded inequalities. Okay. I hope you understand these all examples. In previous classes, I have discussed about syllogisms and blood relations. If you want to see those videos, please go and see those videos in my channel. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.